My ideal Sunday is a sci-fi movie marathon.
I've never had much luck with dating apps, to be honest.
Shelley has unmatched you.
Until my friend showed me Hinge. You can actually put in your interests so you can find the perfect match.
Let's make sure we're on the same page about... Jar... Binks.
And then I'm matched with Glorp.
Greetings.
It was awkward at first, Glorp not being adjusted to our earthly ways. But she soon settled in and we really hit it off.
Ham shot first, we can agree on that, right?
Affirmative, Colin. Excuse Glop.
She's very protective and wants the best for me.
Approve Colin's annual leave, or B.
The missus.
Take as long as you need.
You could say she just completes me. She's a keeper.
You are sufficient, Earthmate.
Hinge. Meet your match that's out of this world.